Miss GoElectric here at a NASCAR Cup Series event with the ABB number 35 all-electric NASCAR Prototype, talking to fans about electrification. Do you think EVs will help or hurt manufacturing jobs?
Like 50-50. Not so much, but in a sense, probably so.
Depends where they're coming from. If they're all coming from Asia, then it's not going to help manufacturing here in the US. I mean, we don't manufacture cars in Australia anymore, so it's not a problem. But in the US, if the cars are coming from overseas, then probably not.
Like any new technology, it's a shift from one type of manufacturing job to another type of manufacturing job. It's different skills. Computers came along, the internet came along. People still have jobs. They have different types of jobs. So I think it's really just a shift from one to the other, and that's learning and education, and that can be done, and that can be good for everybody.
I think right now hurt, just because we have a lot of AIs building things, so not a lot of people doing it, so probably hurt.
I feel like they might hurt it a little bit because on a factory line with the motor, you have different people working on different parts of the motor.
They're going to help. They're not going to hurt. I mean, yeah, now we're in a time of artificial intelligence and robots. So you're going to have to redefine the workforce. But I think at the end, it's helpful.
I think it's going to stay about the same, because you're going to see the switch from domestic building motors and things to building plants to build batteries, to recycle batteries. That is going to then consistently just have a switch of jobs from actually building a gas engine to building electric motors, or building a battery again to return it back to service.
I think that it'll create other jobs in other ways.
I think it will definitely help. I don't think the gas market will particularly die, so I think jobs will still exist there. I think for the electric market, I mean, it's more jobs are created when that market goes up. You have all these components that go into it. You have to have battery factories. You need to have still the same component factories. You still have to have all the drivetrain factories, stuff like that. So I think it's really good for the market, good for the economy in general.
EVs have fewer components and tend to be constructed with new methods which require fewer laborers. While new EVs require fewer workers, hundreds of thousands of new charging and grid hardware or battery manufacturing jobs have been created already. Many more will be required to achieve 100% EV adoption. I'd love to hear your thoughts on electrification too, so please leave a comment. Until next time, drive, fly, ride. Go electric.